Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 203. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here. So 7, 9, 1, 3, and 9 here. So this is our 7. That makes this our 9. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here. So 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got the 1 covering these 2 boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we're only missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 7, 5. And for this box, we're only missing a 3. And there you have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.